In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an SMS message in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to log in first onto your HubSpot account and then locate the automation or marketing option. You should be able to see them right here onto your tab. So it actually depends on if you want it on a campaign or if you want it on your actual SMS right here. So as you can see on here on our marketing tab, we can see our SMS. So head over and click on this. You can see right here that you will need right there a marketing hub professional, so head over and sign up for that. You can also use SMS for workflow, so you can head over and click on the automation option and click on the workflow and add an SMS for this. Now let's head over and create the workflow, and let's create it from scratch. Now onto this case, just head over and search right here for the emails and communication tab. Then open this right here. You can choose right here SMS, or you can also search right here for the SMS trigger. So head over and locate the trigger search results right here. We have in here this message. Head over and add right here what you want to be done. Add personalization tokens as well and recipients. So this can actually help your workflow. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.